Well, you know what they say, third time's the charm. I forgot to cover up my address on the last two. But this is April at Dragons and Dresses Craftsorium, if you haven't figured that part out yet, but because you have clicked on my channel. I'm going to do my unboxing for BB Craft. It's bbcraft.com. I have joined their YouTube program, and it's easy if you want to do it. All you have to do is have at least 100 subscribers. Go on their website and fill out the application, and it's under, you scroll all the way to the bottom, and it will be under information. Here, let me show you what I mean. Okay, go to bbcraft.com. There we go. Now you scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on information. Click on YouTube program. And it'll tell you everything you have to do. Do you want to be a BB? Do you want to get the BB Crafts products for free? Would you like to try free samples? And if you have over 100 subscribers, welcome to contact us to get the chance. So YouTube cooperation policy is you have to have at least 100 subscribers or more, and they'll check your channel out. Of course, I don't blame them because I want to see if you're actually going to use the products. And then you make a video for them once a week, and you have to publish within 30 days of receiving their products. I'm going to be doing the unboxing today, and a couple of the products I will be using in the same video because I don't get just molds, because I do all sorts of other crafts. I do the powdered alternative, I do resin, I do polyurethane, I do UV, I make jewelry with seed beads and with other components. I do polymer clay. I do a lot of different stuff. And you need to do one video per week to publish the videos and then send them the link. It's that difficult. Not a problem. But you can always apply for their program at the bottom of that, and it tells you what all you have to do, and then you hit submit, and then they'll let you know. So the first time I got $40 worth, and it's 4 or 5 items that equals the $40, or as long as it equals the $40. And I didn't get just molds, so let's see what I did get. It comes in a bag. Well, that's always a good thing. Let's set it over here and see what all we got. Here's one mold. I did get a couple of molds, just, I didn't get all molds. Oh, that thing is driving me nuts. It won't stay up there. Okay, so in this it came with 2 molds. Let me get my order up here and we'll see what all I did get. Okay. My order. A storage box glass jar, and this one retails for $13.79 on their website. But I did not realize it came with 2. 2 of the exact same one. So that's good, because, we always, that way we can have one for resin and one for the powdered stuff. And it's a floral jar, like a lotus, with the lid that goes on it like so. It's quite large. It's nice and soft, but sturdy, if that makes sense. I didn't realize it came with 2. Well, I guess I do now. Yeah, it came with 2 of those in the same one for and it says 2 set. $13.79 for that, which is a great deal. A great deal. And they have all kinds of crafts and sales going on all the time too. You just have to check it out. That's that one. And I got this mold here, which I think it's very similar to the one that Coral Marine gave me. And it was $4.19. What is it? I don't know. Yep, it's the smaller of the moons. Because Coral Marine Resin Art, she gave me, well, I don't know where I put it, but it's here somewhere. Oh, here it is. She gave me the mold to make the bigger moon, This is a smaller one, so that'll come in handy, especially if I want to use it for the top to one of my jars. Oh, it's very detailed inside too. The craters are a little bit deeper. So we got that one, and it was $4.19 for the moon. It's a Honey Hand DIY candle making silicone mold resin casting mold. So I did get the 2 molds. Let's see, what else did I get in here? Here's my packing list. Okay, I can't really see what that says, but oh, these are cord ends, and it comes in a nice storage container. Let's get a utensil here to cut it open. These are cord ends, different kinds in here, because I have all that leather cording. Oh, but I might have got the wrong size. We'll make it work, because I can use these. And then you can put that inside these, because I have lots of leather cording to make necklaces with, which that will be done in a video here soon. All of these will be done into a video here soon. And I got some more jewelry making. Oh, these are pretty. These are cabochons, but they're fancy cabochons for jewelry making. Like I can make my cloudy opals and put them in here. Oh, the leather end, the cord ends were $13.76 for all of those, and they're stainless steel. So that's great. I got different brands. They have different brands on their website, so I got some of different brands. The 2 molds were Honey Hand brand. This is a BB Craft brand, and this one is a Benecraft. But look at how pretty those are. They have rhinestones around the bezels. And you can make the little stones off the cabochon mold, the big one like I get from Hobby Lobby, the big one. And you can put them in there, in these, and make jewelry out of them. So pretty. And they came in gold and silver. And these cabochons here were $4.80 for those. But that may be different now because it says it was a promotion. So it must have been a sale that they were doing. Alright, now this brand is Panda Hall Elite, which I've used Panda Hall for years. Creativity on fingertips. I'm getting ready to set up my crafting session here for the weekend. And it has glass cabochons with it, which you can use them or you don't have to. These are great for using the nail art tattoos and stuff underneath too. But these are all brooches. And these were $7.47 for 16 sets. So there's 16 blanks and 16 cabochons. And if you don't want to use the cabochons, then you can save the cabochons for another time, which I'm going to be using these in a video soon too. Because I'll be doing some more of the jewelry making. Do some dragon inlays maybe. Because I'm pretty sure I have the same cavity for these. They're round and ovals, so I can fit these in the cavity of the mold to make sure that it's the right size. Yeah, there it is. I can figure out which one of these cavities will take these 2 different ones, because they're round and oval. And then I would make my jewelry piece in that and do the inlays in that. And then pop it out and put it in here and save the cabochons for another time. And they come in a cute little case that you can use over and over again, too. Look at that. But if I'd have laid it in there correctly, it probably would work, huh? But that is what I got from BB Craft. And I'll be doing quite a few videos here soon. I'll be doing some jewelry making videos. And I will use those molds. Probably use one of those molds this weekend. On my live this Sunday. So if you haven't heard about that, go check out the lives on Sundays right here on this channel at Dragons and Dresses Craftsorium, where we have Miss Coral Marine Resin Art on Sundays. We have Miss Frances from Beadin' Crazy Custom Creations, and you never know who's going to stop by. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for joining me, and if you can make one person laugh or smile every day, then your day has been worthwhile. I will put the shout out list at the end of this, and go check out BB Crafts for their program, their YouTube program. And if you have a website, you can do even more with their affiliate program, which we may be having a website very soon for all of us at the GWGG. Which I will have to bleep that out, but I'm sure you'll know what I mean. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Come back and see me now. You hear?